everybody. We're out for another adventure. Explore PA. We're going to try to look for the Fountain of Youth.
We both know that we need a little drop of that every now and then.
But we got that. My daughter told us to check this place out. They came up on her Facebook feed after watching one of my videos. And so we looked it up and we're going to give it a try and see if we can get some youth out of this. So stay tuned. Oh, by the way, it's
Thursday,
the 31st of August. So this month is gone already. And we'll be into September. So stay tuned. We don't know what September's going to bring. This is a neat little hill street, they call it.
Yeah, it's a little hill.
We're in Ford City, on the outskirts of Ford City. But thought it was a neat little thing. Stay tuned. We're on this nice little curvy road and
God knows where.
a few sharp corners that just pop out of nowhere. I think this is Ford City Road. Nice road, beautiful day for riding.
Refreshing there.
Oh, refreshing day. But look at it, the skies are blue. Supposed to be like this for the rest of the week. So we'll be getting a lot of riding in. Sorry, dear.
That's all right. I can handle it.
Okay. We gotta get as much as we can in there because on Sunday it's Bluetooth's birthday. I believe it's Sunday, yeah.
The 3rd, right?
The 3rd.
Yeah.
That's when we picked up Blue from the dealer a year ago. So
Wow, it's already been a year.
already been a year on Blue. Woo! And we have plenty of memories. Thank you, Blue. Wow.
Yeah. A wow is right.
Come over top of a hill and then wham! That was cool. Nice view. Well, we're on the road to the Fountain of Youth. I don't know, they got all kinds of stuff up here. Soccer, golf, all kinds of complexes. Everything. A horse show ring. It's pretty cool. We'll keep you informed. We found the Fountain of Youth. Are you ready, babe? The Fountain of Youth? But this is the path, so we'll have to explore it a little bit. Okay, I gotta check this out so that baby cakes can work their way down. Pretty steep. Ooh. Oh, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna get to it. We'll let you know when we get closer. And we got a little stream. It's a cute little stream. Here, I'll go under this log. Peekaboo! Little waterfall. Cute. You climb up that hill to get to it. Then the stream goes that way. Okay. We're getting closer. I can feel it's getting younger already. We found it. Fountain of Youth. See, we found it. Let's go check out inside. Okay, oh, I got it up to. There we go. Cute place. Here we go. Here it is. I don't see no fountain. I guess all the youth is gone. Let's see, let me turn on the light. What's in here? I hear water. There it is. We can't get to it. No! That's pretty cool. It's dripping down from the ceiling. Oh, I don't know how. There we go. Trying to get this. Look at that. We feel younger already. Oh, the phone. You. Well, dear, how do you feel?
Younger.
Younger?
Absolutely. 20 years.
Ooh.
Yeah.
The fountain of youth.
Fountain of Utes.
A ute? Now we're exploring because we don't know where we are, where this road even goes.
Oh, there's a, whatever it is right there. Oh, it's a house. Pavilion.
Yep. Okay, so stay tuned because we don't know what's next. This is a neat little park. They got everything in it. Boating, camping. I don't know about camping, sorry.
No.
Picnicking.
Bicycling.
Bicycling, walking.
Little mama.
Pretty neat. A lot of stuff.
Didn't even know if it came up on the map as a park.
Well, it's all green, so we're in a park.
Well, I know that.
We'll just take a zip through and there are a lot of things for people to do. I guess there's fishing. There's a guy with his fishing poles.
Oh, that'd be a lake.
Pretty cool. Big puppy.
Big puppy. This is neat.
Very nice. We're still following it. This is the boathouse, and there's a Rose barn we just passed.
Barbecue.
A barbecue. BBQ. We was on the other side just a little while ago. Now we're coming up this side. Loop all the way around. A nice park for the people. Pennsylvania knows how to do it.
Absolutely. They keep it clean.
Pretty nice. Going around the lake.
Pretty cool.
I don't know what that is over here.
Sacrificial hill.
Sacrificial hill. Okay, yeah. Which way you want to go? To 8, to 19, or straight?
Doesn't matter, go where the car goes.
Okay. I guess we'll go straight. Oh, that's pretty. We're heading straight. This is still part of the park. We got ice skating rink. I don't think there's any ice right now. And there's a swimming pool down here. This place is huge. Let's see what else we got around here.
Time I've seen that.
What?
Somebody chasing somebody down.
This is pretty cool. And it looks like soccer fields or baseball. Baseball.
Sarver Road.
Here we go. Hip and turn. Ow. You got that one?
Continue 1.5 miles to the end of the street, then turn left.
Okay, we'll do that. But you like that? Hip and turn, switchback, whatever you want to call it. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but that's Canyon on the other side of the river. We're gonna go over a bridge. Ta-da! The Canyon Bridge. To the right. Hi dear.
Hi.
Wow, you look so much younger.
I feel great.
Must have been that fountain of youth we went to today.
That was awesome. Rejuvenated my soul.
Oh yeah. Well, we had a beautiful day. It's still about 78, but it's still nice out. We started out at like 60, I don't know.
Yeah.
67, 68.
Maybe.
Well, we had a beautiful day. I'm glad you came along with us. And I hope you enjoyed it. Because, like we said once before, or twice before, we love doing this. And we love bringing you along. So, don't forget, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and so you don't want to miss any. And thanks for watching. Peace. Home sweet home. What a beautiful day it turned out to be, and it's going to be a beautiful weekend. So we'll be out riding.
Mr. Dickens.
Okay, thanks for watching.